Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the measure of trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the problem. The given problem is if sin theta equal to a divided by square root of a square plus b square, then show that b sin theta equal to a cos theta. So the sin theta value is given, expression is given, a divided by square root of a square plus b square. By using that we have to show that b sin theta equal to a cos theta. So we know that sin theta equal to a divided by square root of a square plus b square, that is nothing but opposite side of angle theta divided by hypotenuse, right? So this is the given data. So the opposite side of the angle B is A. Hypotenuse is square root of a square plus b square. By using that we can construct the triangle so that we can able to find the remaining value, that is adjacent side of angle theta. So we constructed the triangle ABC. Theta available at the corner C. So the theta is there, mean this will be the AB is the opposite side of the angle B. Automatically BC is the adjacent side of angle theta. So this AC is the hypotenuse, right? So we can construct the triangle with any name, but it should be a right angle triangle. The theta may be located anywhere, but in this problem it is named as ABC and theta is available at the corner C. Accordingly we can named as AB is the opposite side, BC is the adjacent side, AC is the hypotenuse. So the given value is A is opposite side of the angle theta. So AB is A. Then hypotenuse is square root of a square plus b square. So these two values are available from the sin theta. So the adjacent side is not given. So before going to the proof that b is cos sin theta equal to a cos theta, we need a adjacent side of angle theta. So that can be calculated from the Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. That we know that AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. But what we need is BC square. So bring the AB square that side. So BC square equal to AC square minus AB square. Right. So AC square is nothing but square root of a square plus b square. So square root of a square plus b square the whole square minus ab square. Ab is nothing but a. So a square. So square root of a square plus b square the whole square is nothing but a square plus b square minus a square. So this a square got cancelled, only we have b square. So bc square equal to b square. So bc equal to b. So now we calculated the value of BC, that is adjacent side of angle B. Adjacent side of angle theta, BC equal to B. Now we got the adjacent side also. So that we can go to the proof. We can show that the expression, we can go for expression, right? So opposite side is AB, that value is A. Adjacent side is BC, that value is B. Hypotenuse is AC, that value is square root of a square plus b square. Right. Now first we will find the sin theta and cos theta. The sin theta is already available. Opposite side by hypotenuse AB by AC, that is equal to A divided by square root of a square plus b square. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC, what we calculated. BC equal to B divided by AC is square root of a square plus b square. So now we have the sin theta value that already given in the problem. Now we calculated the cos theta, that is b divided by square root of a square plus b square. Now we'll go to the proof for that. So b sin theta equal to a cos theta. We need to show that b sin theta equal to a cos theta. First we will find the b sin theta. B sin theta equal to b into sin theta, that is equal to b into sin theta value is a divided by square root of a square plus b square. So that ab divided by square root of a square plus b square. We take this equation 1. And another thing is, next side is a cos theta equal to a into cos theta. So a into cos theta value is b divided by square root of a square plus b square. So this also ab divided by square root of a square plus b square. Take this equation number 2. See, this side is equal. Both the expression we got the equal value. So that this side, that side is equal. That is, equation 1 is equal to equation 2. So right hand side is equal to left hand side. So that b sin theta equal to a cos theta. Right? B sin theta value also same. A sin theta value also same. So that by referring these two values, we can say that these two values are equal. B sin theta equal to a cos theta. So in this problem, the sin theta is given, that is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Using that, we constructed the triangle. We calculated the remaining value, adjacent side of angle theta. After calculated, we found the cos theta value. From that, we show that b sin theta equal to a cos theta. One side is equal, so that automatically another side will be equal, that is b sin theta equal to a cos theta. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.